Hello everyone. So we'll be solving boards to save people today. So let's first read the problem. You are given an array of people where people of I is the weight of the ith person and an infinite number of boats where each boat can carry a maximum weight of limit. Each boat carries at most two people at the same time, provided the sum of the weight of those people is at most limit. Return the minimum number of boats to carry the given person. Okay, so basically, the question states that we have some people, okay, with us, and they are given in the form of array. Their weight is given in the form of array. So we have each and every person's weight, and we have a limit. So we have some we have infinite supply of boats. So we have some boats, and we have to basically just onboard our people on it, and we have to return the minimum number of boats that will be required to carry the given persons. Okay, so let us first understand the problem. So we have 1 2 at the first test case and limit equal to 3, right? So and we have a boat, so we can take as many boat as we want, infinite supply. Okay, so at every step, what we and we have some conditions also. What are the conditions? At a time, at a time, two-person can on board. Two-person can sit on the board. Okay, and second is limit. There is a limit to the weight. Okay, so there is a limit to the weight. So now we have to, following these conditions, we have to return the minimum number of boats that will be required, right? So if we see the first test case, the limit is equal to 3, right? So we have the boat 1. Okay, we'll go to the first person and check if the weight of this person is less than equal to the limit. Yes. So is 1 less than limit? Yes. So we'll take the first person on the boat, and we'll go to the next person. We have 2 here, right? So now the limit becomes 3 minus 1 equal to 2, right? The limit is 2. And now we'll check if both of them are matched. Yes, we can still take the second person. So we'll take 2, and both of them can fit in one boat. So that will be my limited number of boats. So how will we approach this problem? So if we try to apply and think about the given conditions, so there are two conditions, right? There are two conditions. At a time, two-person can sit on a boat. At max, two-person can sit on our boat, and there is a weight limit. So if I try to think in a very optimized way, can I try to sort this given array, whatever is the array? If I try to sort it, and at every time, at every time maximum, I can take two-person. So why not I try to take one least weighted person plus one heavy person, right? So how does the approach goes? We'll try to first sort the array. Okay. We'll sort the array so that the weight is in sorted order, right? And we'll keep two pointers. One I at the least weighted person and one j at the heaviest weighted person, right? We'll take the two pointer approach, and at every index, at every I and j, what I can try is I can try to take both ith and jth person on my boat. Okay, I can try to take both of them on my boat. If it exceeds my limit, if the weight of both of them exceeds my limit, so what I can do is I can just remove the heaviest person, right? I can just I can just take the heaviest person, and I will remove the first person. Okay, because the weight change will not matter that much, right? So we'll take the heaviest person on board, and if at all both the limit is if it is under the limit, right? If it is under the limit, if the weight of both of them is under the limit, so what we can do is we can just increment both the pointers, right? We can just increment both the pointers. So this was the intuition. So I'll be coding it. So we have a people array. So first we will sort it. Right. Now what we are doing is we are taking two pointers. First, the pointer is at I equal to 0. That is the least weighted person, and j equal to people of, right. Now we'll run the while loop while I is less than equal to j. What we can do is at every index, I can try to sum both the persons, right? And I can check if my sum is less than equal to limit. If both of them can fit on my board, so I can take answer plus plus. Sorry, I didn't initialize my answer variable. So I can take answer plus plus and I plus plus and j minus minus, right? J minus minus. Basically, if the sum is less than equal to limit, then we'll do this. Else, whatever is the condition, like obviously it exceeds, so I will do j plus my j minus minus. Okay.